Yeah, it's your boy Ace Hughes. Here's another freestyle. Check it out. Yeah. Let's take it back to Soweto, where it all started. I picked up the pen, then it changed my life. Writing music in the dark, trying to find the light. I know that I'm gifted. Listen when I'm preaching, I let my chest drop. When I reminisce, I'm the man with the plan, I'm the man with the vision. I told them that a nigga different, but they didn't listen. I don't want attention, I just want a billion. Leader of the children, I'm back in the stew, I'm back on my grind. Working like a slave, trying to fill my mind, chasing the dream. I leave my past up behind. I move without emotions, cause life is blind. Now I see the light, I'm never going back. I get in my zone. When I ride a track, I remain strong. With the city on my back, I'm gonna put them on a map. Yeah, I know that they listen when I rap. I'm trying to break free. Let a nigga be. Aiming for the sky, shooting for the stars. This is bigger than me. I do this for the fam. I do this for the homies. I do this for myself. Yeah, Ace.